Hey everybody, Colin, Brendan, Sarah, and Audrey all here. We're in Epcot right now, and we are in front of the World Showcase about to start the tour around the 2019 International Epcot Festival of the Holidays. So we're gonna take you guys along with us with everything we try and all the experiences. And it should be some fun. What do you guys think?
Yeah, I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. One of our favorite holidays of the year. We have a couple things that we're looking forward to. Can't wait to show you guys.
My favorite festival for sure. So I hope it keeps to that, like it has in the years past, but we'll see.
Looking at the giant facade, other than that,
So you just pick it up, it looks like.
Pick it up. First impression, there's like oil dripping off of here.
A lot of oil dripping.
Really good flavor from the black beans. I didn't get any meat though.
Get back in there. There we go.
What was this, Sarah?
This is the giant tostado from Los Tostados in Mexico.
Yep.
This is really, really good.
It looks like a work of art.
It's definitely worth the money with the amount of food you get. Lots of good flavor. The meat is good.
Would you get it again?
Oh, definitely.
You would?
Mm-hmm.
Very nice.
Let me try it.
Give it a shot, everybody. I just wanted to go ahead and say that the weather is magical. It is like 74 with a slight breeze, a little bit of cloud coverage. This might be like the perfect time to come versus, you know, maybe January where it's a little chillier or the hottest summer. So
where we were in Atlanta.
yeah. So this is going to be a wonderful festival trip. I'm very excited.
Alright, let's get like who's getting something.
I'm not getting anything.
Why not?
So we're at the Shanghai Pavilion. These are the Chengdu street fries. Just a little bit of everything.
Oil,
which is
seasoning,
nice.
cilantro.
Yeah, cilantro. Let me get some of that green
These are
onion.
really, really popular so far. People are saying it's the best thing, so.
In the show.
The fries are they're not too crispy. It's very, very spicy. I'm surprised Disney made something this spicy, actually. But it's very good. A little peanut, the green onion gives it a nice like crunch to it at the end. Same with the cilantro.
Good flavor.
It is very spicy for Disney though.
You like
I was
it?
not expecting that. I love it. The fries could be a little bit crispier though.
They're just pumping them out so quick. Very cool. In front of the Tuscany, Italy pavilion, or the booth, not pavilion. And this is the La Genovese. So this is the flatbread, rustic flatbread with mozzarella, steak tips, and vadalia onion, sauteed vadalia onion. So I had this last year. It looked a lot more appetizing, and it was really good. So I'm a little thrown off by this, but I'm gonna give it a shot. I mean, like, there's this huge piece of beef here. I don't know how to.
Yeah, they kind of move your hand real quick. Yeah, look at that. They put one piece of beef there and nothing there. Tastes the same?
The flavor is still so good. Yeah, it's so tender. I mean, I want to have Brennan try this. Brennan being the the Italian family, but it's incredible. The flavor, the sweet, the savory. Could be a little bit crispier. This one's crispier than this one, but the mozzarella's good. It's good. I'm happy. Construction here at the American Adventure Pavilion. Can't really see much, but I'm gonna walk past Fife and Drum here and see what's going on. Can't see anything anywhere. But I'm very much looking forward to this, so hopefully it'll be done soon. American Adventure has needed this for a very, very long time. All right, here we have from the Japan booth, the sushi Christmas tree. You can see a little bit of the tuna, the salmon, the roe, spicy mayo, I think that's cucumber. Lots of rice though. You guys see how thick that is? Pretty much $5 of rice, but we're gonna try it out. Here's the soba.
Soba looks a lot
It's the Japanese soba. It's a good sized bowl. They only fill a little bit. I like the illusion. Looks like a large amount, but that vegetable fried tempura vegetables looks really good. Here's the churrasco tree, the sushi Christmas tree. There's not much salmon on here, so like just I gotta try to get on in here. I'm gonna move some to the edge. I'll let you know I'm disappointed as of now, but go ahead to Brendan. I need to try more and see what this is like. He's got the soba.
So I have the soba. It is fried tempura, vegetable tempura, sorry. And I'm kind of breaking it up with a little bit of spoon and the fork.
They don't have chopsticks, so.
They do have chopsticks,
Oh, they do.
but I want to get the broth. It's just hard to get it all. The tempura has a good crunch. The broth is very rich. Honestly, I love it. I love this type of like noodle dish. It's a little hot, or I like it hot, but it's hot if you're gonna get it like when it's hot outside. But it is very good.
All right, so my final verdict is what sushi was on there, actual sashimi, you know, sushi grade meat, fish, all that was great, but it's so minor and it's such a huge bed of packed rice. It's even more rice than it looks like. So I mean, maybe try it, especially if the picture's good, but I wouldn't recommend it for the flavor, taste, quantity, all that. But not bad. Hello everybody, we are in the rental minivan. Brennan's the captain of this ship right now. But we just had a wonderful time in Epcot for the afternoon. But we're gonna go take a break. We still have to check into our hotel. It was not ready when we got there. So we're gonna go check in now, freshen up. And these four pretty ladies will see you guys later tonight.
Four pretty ladies.
Woo!
We're back at Epcot, so this is round 2. We just went to the hotel for a second, got rinsed off, got refreshed, and so we're ready to get some more food and some more drinks.
We'll experiment. Are you excited, Brennan? Round 2?
Of course, got my
Sarah, what about you? What are you excited
Hold
for?
on, give me the camera, babe.
Frozen.
Frozen. We do have a fast pass.
Frozen food, not frozen food.
So we're gonna transfer, turn around. Check it out. Wait, go back.
Are you done, sir?
Just got our fancy little drinks. Wait.
Thank you very much. Alright, so I'm not even going to try to... What is this? I'll try it. Boucher à la Ryan. So this is a turkey and mushroom stuffed pastry with a cream sauce. Looks really good. Better try it out. I already tasted the sauce. It's a little cold, so we'll see. Alright, it doesn't cut very well.
Looks like it's pretty cold.
Good. It's different. I can't really go all the way through it. Hold on. I like it. Could be warmer, but it's nice and flaky, the croissant. The cream sauce is good. Mushrooms. The turkey's fantastic. Better than I expected, to be completely honest. So I give it a thumbs up.
go for this kefta first. Best way to do this last year was kind of like grab it, pull the sausage out, or the lamb, the skewer out. I'll tell you right now, the bread's nice and soft. A good mix, just like last year. The bread's nice and moist. You get the cucumber at the bottom, then the crunch of the onion, and the crunch of the grape. It's fantastic. Sarah?
You think it's as good as last year?
I don't think it's as good as last year. I feel like there was a bigger, the bread was a little bit big. Yeah.
There was a different sauce last year. It was that like orangey sauce. Do you remember?
Yeah.
I remember. I have a picture of it. So I know for sure the sauce is different. And last year there were not grapes and pearl onions. I don't think.
There was grapes. I don't remember the pearl onion.
Yeah, I would say it's fantastic. I would recommend it.
But because we're comparing it to last year.
It was a favorite last year.
Yeah.
So right here we have the beignets.
Beignets from Morocco.
They're not super warm. We have been sitting here for a minute. A little bit of chocolate, some nuts. It's filled with a cream too. I forgot to read the whole description. So that was a surprise. But it was very flaky. It was good. It kind of tastes like the Taco Bell balls, if you've had those.
Very cool. Did you get any of those almonds, or was it just for the plate?
I'm not a big almond person, so I just let those on the
I can
side.
tell you exactly what it tastes like. It tastes like a mix between a Boston cream pie donut from Dunkin' Donuts and
A beignet with the flakiness.
I wouldn't even say beignet. I would say like a Taco Bell cinnamon delight.
That's fair.
And I wouldn't compare it to a beignet though.
Good
It doesn't
assessment.
taste like a beignet to me at all.
Is it good though?
It's really good. Really good.
Very good. In action, look at her face. Oh my god, Sarah, you happy?
I'm very excited. I
What'd
want
you
to make it.
What'd you get today?
It's a queso fresco stuffed arepa, and it's got shrimp, and then this sauce on top. I'm not sure what it is. Guac and a little bit of something, chives or cilantro. We're gonna get right into it. This is a bite. With your hands.
It looks nice and fluffy.
Pretty good. Not as good as the ones at Paradiso. Those are the best. It's pretty good though. I'm gonna try to like mix it all up though, because it doesn't really come like all together. So bear with me. All right.
That big girl bite. Oh, she doesn't have a big enough mouth. Oh, she dropped a shrimp.
Oh my gosh.
How is it?
Very good. Lots of different flavors. I'm still not sure what the sauce is that's on the shrimp, but it all goes together so well. It's like nice and like refreshing. It's not like super heavy, but still, I think it's gonna be pretty filling.